Look, right side me doing forever. Hey, look.
Trap God always in my hood every day. Ay, flashlight if I put these diamonds in your face. Ay, money getting nigga thumbing through it every day. Always got it on me if I.
Bro, you gonna slap the pacifier on my head? You deepy. Come on, big baby. He ain't even been crying on a truck like that. He just got with me when I pulled over, and he just started crying like this. Say, Dad, we got Dad on the truck. Look at him, look at you, Dad, look. You want another bottle? He just threw up all over his shirt. He just started tripping. Look, he holding his pacifier. But look, he gonna take it out though. Look, you see? He gonna take it out. Take it out. Throw up. Look, you an actor, bro. You was just crying, bro. You was just crying. I'm sitting here washing clothes, man. I got 7 minutes on that, 37 minutes on that. I've been contemplating doing a video or just make a little clip. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got my son on the truck, as y'all know, as y'all see. He a quiet baby. He not like hella crying or like no whining or nothing like that. He just, I ain't gonna lie, that nigga pretty cool, bro. It's like my first time being around him like every day. Like usually like I come around for a day, 2 days, 3 days, a week, and get up out of there. But now like I'm really noticing him and how he is. It's pretty cool, bro. He's pretty cool. And it's like he be wanting me. Like I was driving and you know I got his mama on the truck as well. She picked him up and she set him on her lap and he was like trying to come to me and I was just handing my hand to him like this so he can touch me or whatever. But you know he be wanting to be like around me and like up under me and stuff like that because we want to get to know each other and you know that I'm dead and you know you just know it's pretty cool, man, to have him on the truck, man. He a cool baby. He a cool baby. I like him. I'm supposed to like him. He's my kid. But you know I can really tolerate him and I can really hang out with him and stuff like that. I know he's asleep. I just had to come wash the covers because I didn't want him to sleep on dirty covers because I haven't washed these covers in a while. Yeah, man. He a cool baby. When I get back in the truck, I'm a video recorder. I'm like sleep. I don't know. He cool. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Look at the white man looking at you. Dad, what are you doing? Hold on. Dad, what are you doing, bro? Stop honking the horn, bro. Stop honking the horn with your damn elbow, bro. Look at the white man over there looking at you. What? Okay, Dad. Okay. That's enough honking. That's enough honking the horn. That's enough honking the horn. That's enough. Bro, I put him on the steering wheel. I put him on the steering wheel last night and his booty hit the horn and he just started laughing out of nowhere. And then now every time I put him on the steering wheel, it's like he want to hunk the horn with his booty. But he was hunking the horn with his elbow though today. So, what up, Dada? Say what up, Dada? Say what up, Dada? Yee! Yeah, all right, man, we go. The old man was looking at us and shit when he was hunking the horn. Y'all know we trucking, man. We trucking under that. Say we trucking. Say we trucking, Dada. We trucking. Yeah. You talk when you want to talk. There you go. What else? There you go. What did you guys say? What did you guys say?
Look, Rob side, he doing forever. Hey, look.